True love, to whom I have given myself, and the gentle loving season, each of these is for me the reason why I should be enamored. So it is right that with their honor I should make known in song how I am made to their command. I know better how to endure in peace, so that my desire does not reveal itself. And it would seem that if not for this, it would be because I love and am not loved. And may she for whom I sing not be dishonored, if I do not go on always improving in loving her well, without deceit. Therefore I pray you to have mercy on me, without any wrong that I have ever done to you. And if right, which is so beneficial, cannot help me, may humility help me with you, lady, and honor me. For no right has great value there where force does as it wills. For your rich, true, and good worth is sealed in my heart in such a way that I am not at all powerful to turn myself toward any other side. Nor do I ever want another to honor me, but you, lady, for whom I sing, and love, and desire, and shine.